there. Welcome back to Gardening with Sylvia and Friends. Whew. Except not today, clearly. It's okay. I had a plan. God had a better plan. And I am not complaining. This is quite the downpour. I have a really good friend, Dion. You should check out her YouTube channel, Mrs. D's Baking TV channel. She and I talk pretty often, and she asked, what do you do when it's raining? How do you garden then? What ideas do you have? And so today, I think I'm going to have to answer that question. Of course, you're not going to be outside gardening if it's thundering and lightning. Safety matters. However, there are some pretty cool projects that you can tackle in light rain, like pulling weeds. The soil is moist, of course, and that is the perfect scenario for pulling out stubborn weeds. Also, making sure that you don't have standing water. Flip over those saucers under your pots or the buckets, anything that holds water, because those become breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Fertilizing is another one of those projects you can do. Put it near your plants and let the rain soak it in. Also, if you have some plants and pots that don't like wet feet, you may want to pull those under a covered dry area. Some plants are susceptible to root rot for sitting too long in water, and root rot can cause a fungus that will kill your plants, and we don't want that. You know, I think there is something to say about working in your garden, say in a light shower. It can be very productive. It can be very refreshing, especially in these hot summer months, and even therapeutic. But sometimes you just need a break, right, from the garden. And a rainy day certainly gives you that time to sit back, relax, maybe take in the view from your window as your plants get a good soaking. You know, gardens love the rain. They're getting a good boost of what I like to call God's nutrients. You can't buy that from a store. The rain makes the plants grow faster. Oh, my husband would add, it certainly makes the grass grow faster. It makes the leaves greener. Oh, and it makes those tender little buds so happy and just ready to open their new blooms. It makes the raindrops glisten. And the colors, oh my goodness, fabulous, right? You know, even if the rain forces me inside, I can still take in some gardening, watching my favorite YouTube channel, Gardening with Sylvia and Friends, of course. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun recording it. Please like, subscribe, and share my Gardening with Sylvia and Friends YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And until next time, happy gardening.